G'day, I'm Mark Boxer and welcome to Ryco Filters Mechanics View. In this series, we visit workshops around Australia and chat to the owners about why they're in the business and what makes their workshop tick. So if you're in the trade and you want some more insight into how a good workshop runs, then tune in. Today we're catching up with Matthew, who's one of the owners of Parker's Auto Plus. There he is. G'day Matt, how are you going?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad. So mind if we head out the back and get a bit of a mechanics view of how you run your business?
Not a problem, let's go.
So thanks for having us, Matt. Give us a bit of a rundown of your history and how you got into working on cars and what you ended up qualifying as.
Yeah, so I started off at a Holden dealership, started off as an apprentice, worked my way through, become foreman, ended up working in the office, assistant service manager, and then end up buying a small business with a partner of mine who happens to be an auto electrician.
Tell me a little bit about when Mark and you sort of got together to decide to start the business.
So Mark had an opportunity to buy a mechanical business as an auto electrician, decided to come along and join him, and joined him a few months later, and we've been going strong ever since, so about 10 years. So
how do you find skilling up the team to meet the modern demands of changing cars?
The guys are keen to learn, so we get them to do extra courses and things like that. It's a lot of learning on the job and just trying to figure things out.
So what future trends do you think are really going to impact businesses like yours?
I think the electronics is the key, and the fact that we do have an auto electrician and an apprentice auto electrician really do help us with a lot of our diagnosis.
Tell me, I mean, obviously Mark's the auto electrician here. Bit of a look into the future to work on some EVs and other cars like that?
Yeah, definitely. All that sort of stuff, because it's becoming more prevalent, is definitely very important. Actually figuring out what's wrong with some of these cars is a trick to the trade.
So tell me about your business and what sort of services you offer.
So we offer general servicing. We also do suspension repairs, four-wheel drive upgrades, bash plates, air conditioning service. We fit alcohol interlocks, all your general electrical repairs. We also fit accessories like brake controllers, LED light bars. We fit a lot of catch cans, auxiliary fuel filters. We do the lot.
So obviously we've had a look around your workshop, and filters and oil are the two main parts to a servicing business. Tell us a bit about your relationship with Ryco and Martini.
We really enjoy the product. They do 99% of what we need. They're easily accessible, and their warranty and their guarantee is second to none. And same with Martini. Martini, they're just a really good supplier. They're local. We get really, really good service off them. That's what we like, the service from both. They're fantastic.
As a guy who's been around the industry for quite a while, how do you think the trade can improve? One
thing I find is that mechanics are their own worst enemy. We need to sort of stick together a little bit and explain to the customer what we've done in their terms as much as they want. I suppose that's how we could improve, definitely.
Yeah, and I guess at the end of the day, the customer's the most important part of the business, because without them, none of this is going to happen, is it?
Yes, yeah, and getting them back and getting them to trust you is very important.
And finally, for people who are thinking of actually getting into the trade, what would you recommend?
Just find yourself a good place to work, somewhere they're going to teach you different parts of the trade. It's really important to just broaden your horizons. It's not just replacing brake pads and changing oil, and there's a greater things to learn.
Well, thanks Matt. It's been awesome having a chat with you, and a really great business you got here. So thanks for showing us around.
You're welcome, thank you.